Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Lou Scott. Today we're doing homework, so I'll see you in my next video or vlog. See you then. Good evening and welcome to ITV News at 6. We are going to be talking about flooding in Bangladesh and how it affects people. Bangladesh is a small country surrounded by India. Many people have died, but not only from drowning, from the fatal diseases that are spreading. They have also lost crops, homes and animals. Refugee camps have been set up to help those who have been affected by the flood. So thanks guys for watching my flooding in Bangladesh video. Over and out.